I'm really happy to be here. I can't even get words
We can't
to
stop
say.
smiling the whole way.
It's not just boys who have the capability to do STEM.
Today we've got 60 girls joining us from lower socioeconomic schools across Melbourne, and they are here to be inspired, engaged and empowered around careers in STEM.
We've got a lot of workshops which are fun and engaging to show just the depth of types of opportunities and jobs available for girls.
I'm hoping to get a deeper understanding about how women can create amazing things and how we can make a difference in the world.
It's fantastic for the girls to be able to come to this event and meet all these different people from different fields.
It was really about giving them a chance to go to these technologies on their own terms and see the different ways that STEM can apply to their lives.
Can you name any female inventors?
That was actually really inspiring to see how women have made such a big difference.
I never knew there were so many women inventors.
We're understanding how girls should be in science and engineering more.
Innovation doesn't have to be something large. I think we can all be social innovators, and that's what today is really about, is just exploring what we can offer and what we can contribute.
To me, innovation means getting inspired and learning how to do something that you've never really thought of before.
I'm a true believer in empowering our girls, and to see these events and be part of these events and take them there, it's really rewarding.
So I would like to hope that because of today, eventually they take up roles within organisations and increase the number of girls going into STEM careers.
In the future, I want to be able to make a change, like cyberbullying. I want to be able to make some kind of software that would be able to stop abusive speech and stop inappropriate posts.
Getting plastic bottles out of the sea, maybe work on artificial intelligence.
Hopefully we can be successful in our next after school, finish school.
You can make a difference because girls, we need to become more known, and if you have an impact on doing that, it's really incredible.
Even if it's just the smallest or slightest difference, it's still a big thing.